I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids scream.
So now let's open it, and here we open it. Here is the packet, and we will throw this aside, and here is the taping again, so nicely packed in. And here are the Mivi DuoPods M20 True Wireless Earphones. Nice box. You can read DuoPods M20, and you can read true high fidelity sound and stereo and super solid bass, splash resistant. So guys, it is also water resistant, that is splash resistant, like for your, like if you like only for like rain and whatnot, noise cancellation, and one touch pair and play. So guys, like you can just touch it and change songs and play, or play, pause and call, play it on and on. 4 hours playtime at 70% volume. And you can also charge it in the capsule, the box available inside it, the charging, that like in the AirPods, in which you can keep your AirPods. Just like this, you can keep your Mivi DuoPods in it. So guys, here you can read its MRP is 3,000. It's right now in sale only for 2,000. So guys, let's open it without wasting any further time. Here is the box, you can see. Let's unbox it. So guys, here is the box, and now let's open it. Let me open the seal first of all, and here is the knife. We will open it with knife, and here is the plastic seal. So guys, it was nicely packed, and now I'll remove the seal, and now let's check out the box. And here is the box. Let me open it. It's not coming out, and you have to just pull it like this to open the box, and here we go. This is empty, and you can see. And here is the hello Mivian. We hope you enjoy your new DuoPods M20 as much as we love designing them. Please register. So guys, this is basically a warranty card. You can read, please register for Mivi warranty coverage, which enables us to extend our best in class customer support to you. And here is something, and let's open this box and let's check out what's inside. And here is a charging cable, micro USB cable to charge your Mivi DuoPods. And let's check out what's there. So guys, there are a pair of earbuds, you can see. If you like, let me open it for you, because I'm showing the review, so I have to open every single thing. And here we go. Here you can see, here are the Mivi like special earbuds for our Mivi DuoPods. Like if you like lost the original ones, then you can use your another one. There are 4, I think. Yes, there are 4. So guys, now let's keep it aside. Now this box is empty. We'll keep this box aside. So guys, these are the box accessories that are available. Now let's see the user manual first. We will keep this one aside. And here is the user manual. You can read it if you want to. Thank you for purchasing the Mivi DuoPods M20 wireless earphones. This guide will help you guys if you are struggling in anything about this earphones. And now let's check out the final product, the main earphones and the true wireless. And you can also like put it in your hand like this. Let me zoom out for you, and like this. So guys, let me talk about the build quality. The build quality is okay, it's good, okay. It's not that bad, it's good. And now when you open it, here you get the Mivi DuoPods 1 and 2nd pair. So guys, you can see it's truly wireless, no wires. And so guys, you can see now. So guys, as you can see, Mivi written here, and here you can charge your from the micro USB cable. This one you can charge your Mivi DuoPods M20. And when talking like how to operate it, so you can read the manual now. And here to open power it on, just remove it from the capsule, charging capsule. They will automatically turn on its button. So guys, we will do the same, and you can see it's charging, 3 charged, 4 out of 3, and now it's automatically on. You can see if we remove it from the capsule. And so guys, you can keep this capsule easily in your pocket. So guys, now I'll pair it with my mobile. Just wait a second. You have to turn on your Bluetooth after taking them out from the box, the capsule, and now here you can read Mivi DuoPods M20. So easy connecting, and just take it out of them and they'll automatically turn on. And to turn it off, just keep it back after disconnecting from your device, or just keep it back. Now I'll play some songs from Wink Music. Let me play some songs, and I'll play Dance Monkey, and let me tell you the sound quality. I'm keeping the phone here and I'm plugging it to my ears, and I'll tell you after I hear the song. Guys, talking about the sound quality, it's like good from this price range, and I'll rate it 4 out of 5. I'll rate it 4 out of 5, guys. Only for 2000 rupees you are getting this, and AirPods are of 16,000, and I'll also compare it to AirPods. If you want to, tell me in the comment section. So guys, its sound quality, it's like bass is good, and you can go for this and you won't regret. And so guys, this was all for today's video. I will rate it 4 out of 5. Sound quality is good, and here are the earphones. So guys, if you have to power it off, just keep it back. The quality of the sound was also good. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below, and buy. And it's good. If you want to buy it, you can buy it and buy. Subscribe now. Click the bell icon for more videos like this.